महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु
मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे। मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। रात दिन तेरे
जिसका जल्द ही नाम रिवील होने वाला है. Absolutely, we're going to reveal the name shortly. But before we move on to that, firstly, both of you, a very big congratulations to the entire family. Indeed, एक बार जोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Can you all give it up for the entire Palu family, ladies and gentlemen? देखिए तालियां जोर से बजनी चाहिए. Everyone, can we once again give a big round of applause for the entire family and congratulate them together. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Patel family and the Gokul family right here along with us. So before we move on, I would like to know from the two of you, firstly, how is the feeling? It's a baby girl and I must say so adorable. Who do you think the baby looks like? Nisha or Akshay? Mix of both, that too, of course it has to happen, yeah. It's their baby, but majority, maximum किसके ऊपर गई है? हमारी छोटी सी. Who do you think that looks like? Grandfather going to, I mean, already a grandfather. What do you think? Who do you think? Both you think. They want to be diplomatic here, okay? Okay, fine, no problem. We think it is like, looks like the two of you. But such a wonderful time, such a wonderful celebration for the entire family. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little warm-up session with all of you, okay? Since the baby is already arrived, we need to know that all of you are in complete spirits and all of you are ready to take care of this baby, okay? So what we're going to do is, can we have Abhishek? Can we have Abhishek and can we have Akash from both the sides? Akash from this side and Abhishek here. Akash. Oh, I'm so sorry. Abhishek from Akshay's side and Akash from Nisha's side. Can we quickly have Abhishek? Is Abhishek here? Abhishek here? Yes. Oh, I'm feeling shy. Yes, right here. So now what we're going to do is, both of you have 30 seconds of time, okay? 30 seconds. In this 30 seconds, you're supposed to get as many Patel family members on stage and as many Gokul family members on stage, okay? Okay, so you need to get 30 seconds, maximum people. How many other people you can get on stage, you will be getting that many points, okay? Your time starts now, 30 seconds, can you have the music for them? Quickly! Yes, all the... Hello, to floor ke jab hai aayi, yellow, badi sote masti chai. Hello, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop. There we go. That's it. Raj, you came here. हाँ ठीक है, चल जाएगा. Okay, enough. Is there anybody left in the audience? I think all the members are right here. Yes, sir. Firstly, so I want you all. Guta marilla. Maanidriyalla. Pindi. ಇವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಇದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ. So you have to make it one more time. Okay, can we make some noise for the family? Coming to the Gokul families that are sure machayenge. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, right, Gokul family jeeti hai. That means that the little baby looks like Nisha. Okay, so let's see who the little princess looks like, and इसी के बाद, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the naming ceremony right after this. So कहीं जाना नहीं है, please stay back here. The game, the main aim of this very game, the game is very simple, okay? All of you will have, our DJ is going to play a music for all of you. The DJ is going to play a song. एक गाना बजेगा आप सभी के लिए. You'll have to listen to the song. There is a color that is mentioned in the song. You need to get any item of that color, okay? Whatever color is mentioned in the song, एक गाना बजेगा. गाने में एक कलर, एक रंग का जिक्र किया जाएगा. आपको उस रंग की कोई भी वस्तु लेकर आना है, okay? Yes, but the crux of this game is, if you are wearing the attire of the same color, if you are wearing the outfit, the clothes of the same color, you cannot come over, okay? You need to bring any item of that very color, alright? So let's get started. Can we have the item colors folder? Track number 1, ध्यान से सुनिएगा. There's a color mentioned in the song. You have to get an item of that very color. Quickly, can you have the music? Come on, we have a Rudraj, yeah? We have a Rudraj and also we have a wallet of brown color, but clearly Gogru family made it first for 10 points to Gogru family. Can we have, but this is just a trial. We still have many more rounds to go. Can we have the second one? Can we quickly have the second one? Next one. The next one. If you have the item, you need to come forward. No attire allowed. Okay, so basically, we've already got men in black outfits. Patil sir. Vimla Patil sir. Okay, so what we're going to do is, sir, can you come here? Can you come over here? Sir, can you come over here? I request you to come forward. See, so technically, हमारे जो गोगरू परिवार है, they have got the first item of black color. But considering that Abhishek has told me that you dance really well, if you dance on the song, I will give you 10 points. Is Patil family ready for this, sir? Yeah, then can we have the music again? Can we have the music again? Sir, if you're going to dance, 10 points is going to be given to your family. And everybody is requesting you to dance, okay? So can we have the music? Quickly, same music. Same music. Ye kali kali aankhein. Come on. You need to dance, the audience is waiting. Everybody can come through. Come on. Start.
देखी नजरें मेहंदी जैसी चाल
सुबह से भी ऊपर Patil family, are you ready for this 10 points? Thank you. 20 points to Patil family. Super se bhi upar, but since you've got this first, even you get 10 points. So 20 points to the two of you. Track for them. Can we have quickly the last track for them? 20 points, whoever comes first.
रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां केसरिया तेरा इश्क है दिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारे
trying to bribe me, You got me one diamond ring. It's okay, there are no kesariya rang, but you just keep it under the table and then you can give it. Is this a diamond ring? It has gold ring or yeah? Golden diamond both? How sweet, Patil family. So this is for me, right? Then I can keep it. I can keep it. Thank you so much. I am ready to give you 50 points for this. Patil family, take it and go, man. 50 points. Thank you so much, ma'am. But you're clearly right. Yellow color in the ring. So clearly this round has been won by the Patil family. Zorda talia bajishaya for yourself. And with this, we prove that the little baby looks like our Akshay Baba. Super City Upar. But before we move off, I have one track that I'm going to play for all of you. I want all your hands up in the air. Okay, sabhi ke haath upar rehne chahiye. Yes, sir. Can we have ice folders in number 4? Ice folders in number 4. See, we have beautiful little princess of a house, and I want all of you to be in complete spirits and in fun. So come on, everyone. Can we have ice folders in number 4 song for all these beautiful people? And isi ke baad, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the name revealing ceremony that is going to happen right here. Ice folder number 4. Let's play. सभी के हाथ ऊपर रहने चाहिए। Come on, all your hands up in the air. All your hands up in the air. All your hands up in the air. 1, 2, 3, चलो। हाथ ऊपर। Everybody sing it on. High over the bar, high over the bar, high over the bar.
छन छन करते छन छन करते
छन छन करती नन्ही परी जब दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है, खिल जाता है परिवार जब बेटियां मुस्काती है। छन छन करती नन्ही परी जब दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है, खिल जाता है परिवार जब बेटियां मुस्काती। चंदा सी प्यारी गुड़िया लक्ष्मी ये घर आंगन की, जगमग करती मेरी दुनिया रौनक ये हर सावन की। ओ बिटिया रानी मेरी, तू ही मेरा सम्मान है। ओ बिटिया रानी मेरी, तू ही मेरा सम्मान है।
Entry है। I request the entire Gokul family to join us on the stage. Gokul family जो हमारे to come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Nanyal Express on the stage. I request all of you to please clear the pathway for the Nanyal Express to arrive. Ladies and gentlemen, all the eyes.
हे धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना धिक धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना।
हे धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना धिक धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना।
आज पड़ेगा सबको गाना। धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना धिक धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना। धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना धिक धिक्ताना तिक्ताना धिक्ताना।
लोरी 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 लोरी। चंदनिया छुप जाना रे, क्षण भर को लुक जाना रे। नींदिया आँखों में आए, बिटिया मेरी सो जाए। नींदिया आँखों में आए, बिटिया मेरी सो जाए। लेके गोद में सुलाऊं, गाऊं रात भर सुनाऊं मैं लोरी लोरी। मैं लोरी 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 लोरी। करधनिया छुन छुन बजे, पलकन में सपना सजे, धीमे धीमे हौले हौले पवन बसंती डोले, धीमे धीमे हौले हौले पवन बसंती डोले, लेके गोद में सुलाओ, गाऊं रात भर सुनाओ मैं लोरी लोरी, ओ मैं लोरी लोरी। मेरी मुनिया रानी बने, महलों का राजा मिले, देखे खुशियों के मेले, दर्द कभी ना झेले, ओ देखे खुशियों के मेले, दर्द कभी ना झेले, लेके गोद में सुलाओ, गाऊं रात भर सुनाओ मैं लोरी लोरी, मैं लोरी लोरी, लोरी 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 लोरी लोरी।
छन छन करते, छन छन करते, छन छन करती नन्ही परी जब दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है, खिल जाता है परिवार जब बेटियां मुस्काती है। छन छन करती नन्ही परी जब दौड़ी दौड़ी आती है, खिल जाता है परिवार जब बेटियां मुस्काती। चंदा सी प्यारी गुड़िया लक्ष्मी ये घर आंगन की, जगमग करती मेरी दुनिया रौनक ये हर सावन की। ओ बिटिया रानी मेरी, तू ही मेरा सम्मान है। ओ बिटिया रानी मेरी, तू ही मेरा सम्मान है।
छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हाले हाले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। दबे दबे पाँव जरा चले आओ, ये पल मिलेंगे कहाँ, ये जिंदगी है और क्या, एक चुटकुला हंस दे जरा, खफा खफा क्यों है तू। छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे, हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे। रततता थोड़ी थोड़ी जोरा जोरी, थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले, भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में आ भर ले। पर पपारा थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरा चोरी, थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले।